Atomizer short? What does that mean? Isn't this one of the worst things that you can have while you're vaping? Yes. Yes, it is. So how do you fix it? It's a lot easier than you might think. Before the walkthrough, make sure that you subscribe to our channel for more info and fun. Atomizer short, check Atomizer. These are both messages that tell you that there is something not quite right. This can happen with either pre-built coils or rebuildable coils. Both are just as simple to fix. Follow these steps to fix it, and first, checking your mod. To check your mod, you want to take the tank off first. And once you have the tank off of your mod, you want to look at the screen and press the fire button. If it gives you the exact same message, you might want to try powering it off and back on again. It should resolve the problem, and you should be fine. But if it continues to give you that message even after you've powered it off and back on, there's something wrong with your mod. Use that tank on another mod just to see if it'll work. And if it does, great. Now, let's take a look at your tank. You want to take it apart, at least so that you can access the coil and the base individually. Check the base of your tank, specifically the 510 pin. If it's adjustable, it should have a slot for either a flat head or a Phillips head screwdriver. Should you not see one, you should be able to push and pull the pin from inside the base to get it connecting. Use the appropriate tool and loosen by twisting counterclockwise once or twice. The reason you want to do this is because the 510 pin may not be connecting with the mod. Reinstall the tank, and if it works, great. But if not, here's what you do. Take your tank apart so all you have is the coil. Pull or twist the bottom of the coil like you would on the 510 pin to hopefully make that connection. This will make the magic happen. But if it doesn't, then it's a really sad day. You should change the coil out with another one in the back. So these were the steps for fixing a pre-built coil atomizer short message, but what if you have an RDA? So if you're getting this message with either an RDA or an RTA, here's what you do to fix that. Expose the rebuildable deck by taking the cap off and checking the screws first. If they're not tightened enough or they're too tight, adjust them appropriately and it should be good to go. Still getting that message? Check the 510 pin. You should be able to adjust the 510 pin on the base of the tank. You're going to want to loosen it so that it connects with the mod. If you're still getting that message, check your coils. It's possible that they're either connecting with the deck or the side casing of the top. Adjust the coils so they're not touching the deck, or change them out if they're broken. There you have it. You're vaping and you're enjoying the experience. For more information that I didn't cover in this video, we have a link to a blog down in the description. You'll make sure to click on that and share that with your friends too. If you have any tips or questions, make sure you comment down below. We'd love to talk to you. To stay in the know, make sure you check out the community tab on our YouTube channel. We'll see you next time.